Do you have white bumps on your arms? Do you know what it means? It might be keratosis pilaris. Keratosis pilaris, sometimes known as follicular keratosis or chicken skin, is a common skin alteration. It causes slightly hard, white, or red bumps that make the skin look like chicken skin. This change usually doesn't cause any itchiness or pain, appearing in any part of the body, most commonly on the arms, thighs, face, and buttocks. Follicular keratosis is a genetic condition that can't be cured, only treated. The treatment is usually done with creams that hydrate the skin and help lessen the bumps. Did you know that people with allergic diseases, such as asthma or rhinitis, have higher chances of developing keratosis pilaris? The best things to lessen the bumps are good hydration through creams and good eating habits, and keratolytic creams and soaps, which will break keratin. Products containing urea, vitamin A, and salicylic and glycolic acids, for examples, can be used daily to promote deep hydration of the skin. The bumps of follicular keratosis lessen with time and with the use of these creams. However, it can take several years until they are gone, usually after 30 years old. Enjoying the video? Then give it a like and share it with your friends to help the channel. There are other important steps like avoiding hot showers, not showering for more than 10 minutes. Always moisturize the skin after showering, and avoid rubbing towels and clothes on the skin. Avoid exposing your skin to the sun for too long, and always use sunscreen. In more advanced cases, the dermatologist may indicate some beauty procedures according to your body. Vitamin A deficiency can lead to keratosis pilaris, so it is necessary to invest in foods rich in it, such as collard greens, tomatoes, carrots, eggs, sweet potatoes, spinach, mangoes, plums, broccoli, avocados, beets, melons, and others. Foods rich in vitamin A are mainly liver, egg yolks, and fish oil. Because it is an antioxidant, vitamin A also prevents premature aging, cardiovascular diseases, and cancer. It improves hair and skin health, strengthens the immune system, and ensures the proper functioning of reproductive organs. Isn't it incredible? Besides these tips, you can also try these natural medicines. Apply apple cider vinegar. Every day before your bath, apply some apple cider vinegar in the area affected by keratosis pilaris. Let it act for 20 minutes, then shower as usual. Use witch hazel. Apply witch hazel over the affected area daily to get rid of chicken skin naturally. To make witch hazel tea, you will need 1 cup of dried witch hazel leaves and 17 ounces of water. Boil the water, add the witch hazel leaves, and close the pot. Wait 15 minutes. Then strain and store in the fridge. Once the tea is cold, make a ball with some cotton pads and the witch hazel tea over the cotton ball. Then apply it over the area affected by keratosis pilaris. Repeat this procedure 3 times a day. The symptoms usually lessen in the first few days of treatment. Use grapeseed oil and coconut soap. Rich in GLA, or gamma-linoleic acid, and essential fatty acids omega-3, this oil is great to apply over wounds. Exfoliate the affected area with grapeseed oil and coffee grounds before showering. Then wash the area with handmade coconut soap. If you suffer from keratosis pilaris, follow these tips and share your experience with us. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.